If you're looking for a way to connect PayPal to Claude and unlock AI-powered workflows using your payment data, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to connect PayPal to Claude. We'll go through the entire process together, explain what each screen means, and cover a few quick tips that can help if you run into any issues along the way. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Claude. Once the page loads, make sure you're signed in to your Claude account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and complete the sign-in process before moving forward. It's important to use the correct account because the integration will be connected directly to that Claude workspace. After signing in, take a moment to let the interface fully load. This ensures that all menus, settings, and options appear correctly on the screen. Now look for the Customize option within the Claude interface. Depending on your screen size, this may be visible immediately in the sidebar, or you may need to expand the sidebar to see it. Click on Customize to open the Personalization and Settings area. Inside this section, you'll find several options that allow you to control how Claude works and what services it can access. Look for a section called Connect Your Apps. This is where Claude manages third-party integrations and external tools. Click on Connect Your Apps to open the Integrations directory. This area contains the available applications and services that can be linked to your Claude account. Once you're inside the Integrations directory, locate the search bar. Click inside the search field and type PayPal. You don't need to worry too much about capitalization because the search feature should still find the correct result. After a moment, the search results will appear. Carefully look for the official PayPal integration. If multiple results are displayed, make sure you're selecting the Verified PayPal option. Taking a few extra seconds here can help ensure you're connecting the correct service. Click on the PayPal entry to open its details page. On this page, you'll see information about the PayPal integration and how it works with Claude. You may notice a description mentioning the PayPal MCP server. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. In simple terms, this protocol allows Claude to communicate securely with external tools such as PayPal. The goal is to let Claude access approved information and perform supported actions without exposing sensitive account details unnecessarily. Before continuing, spend a moment reviewing the information provided on the page. Understanding what the integration can do helps you make informed decisions about the permissions you're granting. When you're ready, click the Connect button. This begins the secure authorization process. Depending on your account setup, you may see additional prompts asking you to sign in to PayPal or confirm your identity. Follow the instructions displayed on the screen. With the connection successfully established, Claude can now work alongside PayPal through the approved integration, giving you access to supported AI-assisted workflows while maintaining secure authorization controls. And that's all there is to it. Connecting PayPal to Claude only takes a few minutes, and once it's set up, you'll be ready to explore the capabilities available through the integration. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step technology guides. Quick recap. The steps are: Step 1. Open Claude in your web browser and sign in. Step 2. Click Customize in the Claude interface. Step 3. Select Connect Your Apps. Step 4. Search for PayPal. Step 5. Open the official PayPal integration. Step 6. Review the integration details. Step 7. Click Connect. Step 8. Complete the authorization process and review permissions. Step 9. Return to Claude and confirm the connection is active. Step 10. Start using Claude with your PayPal integration enabled.